Alright, this is the Mosin-Nagant Russian sniper rifle, old school. If you want a comparison between Russian Mosin-Nagant bullets and AK-47 bullets, there you go. There's a bit of a difference. 7.6, yeah. 5.4R. A little bit more punch in this. This gun will reach out to about 1,000 yards if you're a good marksman. It does have one of these things to poke people's fucking heads off. Call it what you will. Goes on the tip, just like so, and then you twist it on and it's like that. So it makes it about a couple feet longer. Now it's, if you run out of ammo, you still can poke him in the eyeball. That being said, we're gonna go ahead and take that off. Okay, well, that's off. Sorry for the camera work, guys. I'm doing this all by myself. So then, this will hold 5 rounds down in here. This is where your bullets go. They're in there, trust me. So then you can safety it by pulling this back and to the left. Now it's on safety. See how that works? And then you go normal again. There's big springs in this thing. So when you open it, pull it back, and then if you hold in the trigger, you can pull the whole thing out. This mechanism, I don't know how they fucking figured this shit out, but my hat's off to them, because I took this thing apart once and I could barely get it back together. There's some fucking above this world knowledge going on in this fucking thing. But anyways, pull the trigger and push it back in, make sure the bullet's not in the fucking chamber, slide it right back in, and boom, ready to go. 1,000 yards. Reach out and touch someone. Mosin-Nagant. One of the cheapest, best sniper rifles you can ever find. You can get them for $1.25 these days. They might be covered in cosmoline because a lot of them have been sitting in caves for 50, 60, 80 years. But cosmoline's just a glorified petroleum jelly, and you wipe it off, and these things are fucking good as the day they were put in storage. Great gun. That's all I got. Have a great one. Peace.